Hello and welcome, Buhle Betfu, to yet another exciting episode of Buhle Betfu. My name is Nelly Somakan. Uyatibuta kumbukelo Buhle Betfu ukuthi awulijaha lahloba kangaka namhla kwendekani. It's the Easter season. We are launching the Easter season and we are here at Summerfields Botanical Gardens courtesy of Eswatini Tourism Authority. We are saying #unwrap an unforgettable Easter. Mbukelo Buhle Betfu usehleli lapha ekhaya ubida tihlobo takho ukuthi atite to enjoy ma Easter ngalana eSwatini. What we are saying is tinenkinzawo longadivakashela even la kangwane kude nalolu suku legubha kutalwa noma ke kufa nekuvuka kwaJesu kube into le memorable. We are saying there's a lot of places you can visit right here in the kingdom. So we just want to hear from all the sponsors and all the stakeholders involved ekutheni bakulungiselele kanganani to host you in the kingdom of Eswatini this season. Stay tuned. Hi, how are you?
Ngiyaphila Nelisa njani wena?
Ngiyaphila nami bengicela uti-introduce ligama Sibongo and of course the institution that you represent.
Okay, libito lami ngichungi ngwakadlamini ngichamuka khona Eswatini Tourism Authority as the acting head of marketing.
All right, exciting. Okay, today we are here. It's an exciting event. We are launching the Easter campaign. I want to hear what is that all about. And we are in the Easter nang tourism, so tourism. My Easters just make us have a proper understanding.
Okay, umnyaka ngimnyaka si Eswatini Tourism Authority sibe nema campaigns lahlukahlukene. So kubona ke ukuthi kulomnyaka ema Easters ethu anga March. So the beginning of the month sibone ukuthi asilaunch Easter campaign. So basically the objective of the campaign is to encourage amaswati nedivakashi leqhamuka ngaphandle ukuthi adivakashele live la kangwane. So basically sibe nema themes lahlukahlukene. So this year njengoba ubona sisetilana sisenda iPassover njengoba sathi ukuthi ama Easters ahambisana nespirituality, celebrating the birth of Jesus Christ, celebrating the death of Jesus Christ. So bantu labaningi bayaphuma baye emasontweni. So siyasinake kakhulu ukuthi ukhanza ukuthi kusuka abantu labasuka emaveni lamanye bete kangwane just solely for ma Easters. Nemaswati ezwe la travel outside the country now ahambe just for ma Easters. So thina umsebenzi wethu mama is to promote the destination. So this year #unwrap an unforgettable Easter in the kingdom of Eswatini City. Nalo lahleti khona agete even la kangwane. There's so much to see. We've got culture, we've got scenery, we've got accommodation, cuisine, arts and crafts, and the warmness and the friendliness of the people. Basically, we're saying to Maswati, if usacabanga usekhaya, usangakade ukuthi ungaya kuphi, ungabe usabuka khashana, buka khona la ngeKhathi Eswatini, there's so much more to see.
I'm not sure, I just wanted to do a quick statistic. How many of us are tourists? Because we could be together as kinds of beside we never say Kulma, but doesn't bring reference to you. So we are all tourists. We have the idea of what tourism is. Yeah, we have an idea that domestic and international tourism, what's the idea behind it. So I think that's a bit if that's the case. Moving right along with our program, I'd also like to bring out the statistic to thank Eswatini Tourism again. For doing a wonderful job. Actually, because when I did my study in the tourism sector, that before COVID, we had visitors of 1.3 million, which was a very good number. It was a good, we can all agree that 1.3 tourists in the country, it's a lot on, angathi statistics zethu, meaning we had a lot of tourists more than our, our population. But currently post-COVID, we are sitting on 900,000. I think that is a very, very wonderful job.
So ingabe le campaign who does it speak to, noma ke ibakhulumisa kanjani lamaswati as far as laba lamabhizinisi lafuna kuvakashelwa concerned naleli swati noma ke lelo sonto lelifuna kuphuma, how does it speak to them, what's expected of them to do as far as tourism is concerned, ikakhulukazi lamasonto as they are getting out, because the season is all about spirituality as you've said.
Yes, you are right. I-target market yethu vele kakhulu nyalo. It's not just liswati leline disposable income, but emasonto. Bantu labanengi bayaphumaneliswa baya emasontweni. Uthola ukuthi bayakempa labanye bafuna tindzawo tekulala. We're encouraging emasonto kakhulu ukuthi abangasabuke ekhashana, ababuke ekhatsi eSwatini sithi ke uma ngabe botawuhamba ecamping enhlangano, buka indzawo yengcebeleka around hlangano. Uma ngabe botaya estegi, ungabe solugongonyeka ukuthi namhla sasalala emathendeni asemaklasi neliswa vela sayifunda envolo yethu nesibandla letekuvakasha. We are encouraging bantu ukuthi abangasabuka ekhashane kakhulu. Uma ngabe nje usenhlangano funa emahotela noma tindzawo tengcebeleka khona lapho kubonhlangano. Uma ngabe usestegi kanjalo. So i-target market yethu kakhulu ngema families, bangani, ngoba siyati ukuthi uma ngihamba neliswa ngesonto ngihamba nebantu abami angibashiyi. Uma ahamba neliswa uhamba nebangani bakhe. Dinkonzo nje tabe dimadime esonweni lakho tabe kushubile from Thursday kuyoze kuphumule Sunday. So there's something to do in between, there are breaks in between. So I was saying buka tindzawo tengcebeleka within your surroundings la utabukhona khona. Singabuki kuphela ngekhathi eSwatini labachamuka ngaphandle neliswa ngoba bayatibuta kuthi okay, I'm coming for a campaign, ngiyabekisa ngidele esontweni for Good Friday, Saturday, but ndowendani Sunday on Easter Monday. We encourage them to actually explore destination eSwatini. There's so much to see, kuningi longakwenda. Still phinza futhi nangema holiday sithi ungabe swathi khuthata ukuthi kufuna uphumele ngaphandle siyawata emalayini emagedeni, akuphumeki akungeneki. So sithi look no further, look into the kingdom of eSwatini, buka khona la ngekhathi ungcebeleke event lakho. Ngeke sithi #unwrap an unforgettable Easter right here in the kingdom of eSwatini.
Bukelwa buhle bethu sisengcebeleke khona Summerfield Botanical Gardens courtesy of Eswatini Tourism Authority. Let's take a short break because when you come back there's still more for you. Stay tuned.
We had moved with the program. Ngesasilinze nje ukuthi sive i-keynote address yakho namuhla.
Warm greetings to you all and thank you all for joining us as we officially launch the 2024 Easter season campaign. As the Easter holiday approaches, a time for family, reflection and celebration. A celebration of life triumphing over death, hope prevailing over despair, and redemption offered to humility. I stand before you today to officially launch our campaign with the theme Unwrap Unforgettable Easter Adventure campaign. We have seen more eMaswati and tourists respond positively to the call to explore more of the country's unique landmarks and dynamic tourism establishments, hereby affirming that indeed we can unwrap an unforgettable Easter adventure. It is through your resilience that we are gathered here today to launch the Tourist Easter campaign. We further recognize the tourism industry for being relentless and agile in the collective pursuit to magnify the beauty of the Kingdom of Eswatini by enabling access to various tourism establishments through inclusive, discounted accommodation and dining rates. With a number of specials that have been made available throughout the past years, as well as the specials that are currently on offer for Easter period, we look forward to seeing eMaswati and tourists exploring more of the country. I've explored a number of beautiful places in the country. I've been to the Ironwood Forest. Do you know Ironwood Forest in the country? I've been there. And it's so adventurous to travel to that forest by train. I've traveled there by train. You move in the forest, there is a river on the other side, water flowing, birds singing, that combination. Yeah. Trees only, trees and rocks and water only. Then you hear the melody of birds. Then you tell me about your stress. Just visit Eswatini, you will see. Makadzavane, you have to go there and watch the sunset while you're at Makadzavane. It's amazing. Yeah, that is your Eastern Park, okay? You don't have to go anywhere for Easter. So we are selling our country.
Labanye bantu bayaye bathi kusi Eswatini Tourism Authority uyaye akhona ukuthi our involve members of the public mhlambe kusi khona thing mhlambe labangakuwina bo getaway this getaway that labanye bantu mhlambe badibana nami basi ngoba wena ngasi nawe ukhuluma ngetekuvakasha nisiwinisani sisiyolala kulama hotel ohamba kiyo. So is there any kind of a promotion that is running in light of the season's campaign?
Definitely Mineli, so uyasathi thina sahlala sinemgodla wethu all the time. Nanyalo sina competition yethu eMaswati kusho ukuthi it's open to eMaswati residing in Eswatini. So ilula nje sithi #sonke ngenkonzo Nelisa njengoba umuhle nje ukhethetela kangaka uthi shutha sithombe sakho usithi pha lapha ku Facebook bese uyabhala story sakho ukuthi wena lenkonzo isho kuthini kuwe, isho kuthini ama Easter season kuwe ezinje ungeneliswa wena wetfana bese kutheka nemngani wakho so uyabhala ke story sakho ku comment section yethu ukuthi mina ngingathanza ukuthi njengoba ngicebeleke ekhaya eSwatini ngema Easter holidays ngaya kuphi na kuphi bese ke story lesitaba nema likes lamaningi nguyeke lo tawina. There is so much to win. Kuna eling lo sponsorship lithikithi lebamla babili ke Jozi babuye una Bulembu Country Lodge yolala ungcebeleke udle tinanzi ukhona amantenga lodge yolala uphumule ukhona Sibebe Resort kunama activities bo zip lining ikhona cultural village kukhona ama slides ukhona na Olive Country Lodge so kuningi lo ngakuwina accommodation vouchers dinner vouchers lunch voucher khona la eSwatini abachubeka basilandzela. So there's so much to see and there's so much to win. eMaswati akachubeka silandzela.
Hi, how are you, Mike?
Siyaphila ninjani futhi?
Siyaphila nathi ke ngibengicela ukuthi introduce igama lakho sibongo nekuthi ngiphi institution loyimelele la.
Igama lami nguGugulethu Micheline Dlamini ngivela eOlive Country Lodge. It's a hotel establishment leka Kholwane lapho kuyindzawo yekungcebeleka lapho ungafika uthole khona kulala uthole kudla uvakashe during the day. And it's a country home away from home where you can be able to take out your family.
All right, that's exciting. So I understand today we see Simenyueng Eswatini Tourism Authority. It's the launch of the Easter campaign. So I just want to find out, when it comes to Olive Country Lodge, how prepared are you for the guests, the local people that want to get out there to celebrate Easter, and maybe also international guests that want to come through and celebrate Easter in Eswatini in a special way?
Okay, all right. With the help of ETA with hotels, they keep us abreast. So sesi ready nathi sikubamukela leto tivakashela letawufika titawusivakashela. Sinawo ama inquiries, sinawo ama tentative bookings, and ngalokuthi lesikhathi lesivele abantu labaningi kusuke kuyi long weekend, so bayeta bete balethe imindeni yabo batokudla, balethe imindeni yabo batobhukusha. So yebo si ready kakhulu sesibagadzile vele.
All right, so ngimabinje ma activities long as now se country lodge ngiwo la hamba embili which people can get there and get to enjoy and that are meaningful gibo in such a season.
Okay, kulonyaka njena kulonyaka kunale igame letshe lesitayifaka, sawufaka a bunny hunt which will be a game letawuba kahle for bantwana lapho bahamba bese bathola umhlomelo lothile lesibabekela wona. Stabendela ema games, kuba nema games like bo jumping castle, ne swimming for bantwana. Kuba nabo saba nema painters as well to keep the children busy, and then for bantu labadzala bona batokhona ukuthi batihlalele in our chill out area where they can organize braai areas abo, they can do braaiing, they can do cohesion yabo, listening to music and dance. Otherwise ke ema games lamaningi lesiba nawo
Okay, that's exciting. Maybe you have a message that you can send across to the viewers of Buhle Betfu as it's Easter season. What can you say to them? And mhlambe kutaba meaningful kangakanani kibo ukuthi mhlambe they can come and enjoy Easter at your space.
Okay. Sifise kufisela balaleli netivakashi tetfu kuphepha lokukhulu ngesikhathi da Good Friday. Kuba kuningi kuhamba emigwacweni, abantu bahamba ngema-groups, bahamba ngemabhasi, tinkonzo tiyaphuma tetindzaweni letihlukahlukene, bafisela kuphepha emigwacweni. Nalabo labafisa ukuphuma bahambe bayovakashela tindzawo lapho bangafike bangcebeleke khona, sibafisela kuphepha. Nalabo labafisa ukuvakasha e-Olive Country Lodge, siyafisa ukuthi basishayele babhuke, sizakhona ukuthi sibalungisele, sathi ukuthi saba nebantu labangakanani, sifisile ukubabona bonke baphelele nathi batova bunanzi bekuvakashela indzawo lengaphandle kwasedolobheni.
Hi, how are you?
Fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm great, thank you. Can you please introduce yourself, what your name is, your surname, and also the institution that you represent?
Thank you very much. My name is Buhle. I am marketing assistant at Big Game Parks.
All right, exciting. So we are here at the launch of the Easter campaign by Eswatini or Tourism Authority. So mbukele khaya mhlawumbe ufisile kwathi ukuthi ingabe as Big Game Parks, is there anything that you have prepared ndilungiselele kanjani for this Easter season as far as tourism and your tourists coming through to your different establishments is concerned?
So I think Big Game Parks, we're a privately owned institute. Cinema singumndeni munye, but then we've got a lot of board.
Okay.
Yes. So Buhle Royal National Park.
All right.
Buhle Royal National Park, that's where you get to see 4 of the big 5.
All right.
It's divided into 2 parks. Ndlovu camp, which is the main camp, bese kuba neBubesi camp.
Okay.
Lapho ke nangabe ungumuntu lo uthanda adventure, you can go and visit there. The reason why I say that is because in main camp yethu it does not have electricity. Ngithanguvete lokho ngoba abantu abaningi baye batfuka sebatfuka ukuthi hakude gesi lana. Then we have Umlwane Wildlife Sanctuary. Leyo ke, that is where you get to see small animals. See better getting an outdoor lovers paradise here because it's got a lot of outdoor activities.
Okay.
Sibese sisibane Mkhaya Game Reserve. Mkhaya wethu is located on your way to Big Bend. And then we have Kamsholo Bushveld Safaris. That's our baby that we recently acquired during COVID-19.
Right.
So Gulama Parks Fuge, we offer almost the same things, but each park speaks uniquely to itself.
Okay.
Like I mentioned, that's where you get to see smaller animals. Same applies to Ugamsholo Bushveld Safaris.
Okay.
That's where you get to see one of the big 5 combined. Sine big 5, sine Big Game Parks.
Okay.
Sine Buffalo ke Mkhaya.
All right.
Yes. So amabandla saw encourage ukuthi she come visit us. Nangabe ulisonto noma ke usikolo. So now special rates that we offer to them. Awubhadali njenge individual person letihambelako nje.
Or special rates for churches and schools.
Yes. Okay. As long as obviously sikhona lokuprove ukuthi vele you are a church.
Bazalwane batayitsanza le.
Because sikhona lokuthi vele you're a school. Siyakhona kokunita ama special rates.
Okay.
But to go all that, you communicate via reservations, you verify you, and then you're good to go.
All right, that's exciting. Is there any message that you'd love to send across to the members of the public, to the camera, inviting people to the different game parks, Bazalwane, and everyone else that wants to enjoy the season of Easter at this time?
Okay, thank you very much. Think big game parks siya-encourage maswati lamahle sithi wotani nito zvakashela big game parks nitobona tilwane nitomindlisha nemindeni yenu siyati-ke ukuthi think big game parks kunelesi operishako, so you can either choose kula ma-parks engiceza kwasho whether uya ehlane nibona tilwane letinkulu, niya emlilwane niyo-enjoya i-activities ey'faka ngaphandle kamsholo noma-ke emkhaya. Keep safe and siyacela ukuthi tilwane nitihloniphe whilst you're at our game reserves. Thank you very much.
One of the hashtags from Eswatini Tourism Authority for this Easter season is Swenkang Ngonzo. This 2024, we can't wait to see your pictures Ngonzo yakho lenhle all over social media, showing pride in the church that you belong in and also representing the spirituality that you subscribe to. Mbukelo Buhle bethu, let's take a short break. Usacabanga ukuthi ngabe wena inkonzo yakho uyitasha ngakuphi noma uyithungisa ngakuphi na ude. Stay tuned. Hi, how are you, ma'am?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. Can you please
Thanks.
introduce yourself, your name, your surname, and also the institution that you represent?
Okay, so my name is Sanzi Wagamasego.
Okay.
I'm in the airline industry, aviation. So we fall under both transport and tourism.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's exciting. So I'd like to know, most particularly today, because Eswatini Tourism Authority has invited us here for the launch of the Easter campaign. So I'd love to know, what is it that you have prepared for the members of the public for this special season, to some people and also to Emaswati, and especially as far as your services are concerned?
So we're very excited to be part of this campaign. I'm sure you do know Guti Airlink flies to Johannesburg, but we all obviously have family members are going to be coming into the country. We'll be flying in people from different parts, since we fly to plus for 45 destinations. People have family all over. Airlink always has exciting things that we're going to offer, and I'm sure pretty soon they'll be launching what campaign we're going to be invested in a lot alongside the Eswatini tourism one. I always say that flying is convenient because it's quick. Imagine you getting to Johannesburg in 45 minutes. That's like versus 3 hours. And with that 3 hours, with that 45 minutes, you are cutting down your chance of getting hijacked or whatever the case. So it's better. It's really, I really would advise people to fly.
All right,
Yeah.
for the convenience of
For
it.
the convenience, and it's cheap, guys. Really. We fly from Sikupe, King Mswati III International Airport, and yeah, everything goes on from there.
Hi, how are you, sir?
I'm fine, thank you. Thank you so much.
I'm well. Can you please introduce yourself, Gama, Sibongo, and the institution that you represent?
Yes, my name is Liari Mhlanga. I'm the brand and communications at Sibebe Resort. We are so happy to be here experiencing the beautiful launch by Eswatini Tourism Authority.
Wow, that's exciting. We are also
Yes.
excited to be here. So Eswatini Tourism Authority has brought us here to launch the Easter campaign for 2024.
Yes.
So I'd love to know, Gusi, as far as Sibebe Resort is concerned, how prepared are you for the members of the public that want to come and have an exciting time in Eswatini?
Oh yes, of course we are so excited and ready for this campaign. Because when Waters and ETA invited us to come through and be partners of this amazing concept, we couldn't wait to get the
Nice.
opportunity. So Sibebe Resort is always ready. We are ready, and we have prepared exciting giveaways and specials.
Okay.
So we are saying people should come through to Sibebe during the Easters. Badle iphasika labo at the resort. Yeah.
Wow, exciting. So mhlambe kumuntu lo ngadi kusi Sibebe yini la ngayi-offer, what kind of services do you offer, nema activities people can get up to kulesikhathi sa ma-Easters at your space?
Okay, so Sibebe is a one-stop shop in terms of tourism We offer accommodation.
Okay.
We offer a full weekend activity whereby maybe day one you're at the cultural village,
All right.
enjoying traditional dances and learning more about Swazi culture. You can even sleep by the chalet by the cultural village.
Oh, nice.
And then also we offer accommodation, double rooms, single family rooms. Then we have a number of activities. We have the zip line,
All right.
which is about 300 meters. So I think you have experienced it
Of
before.
course, I have.
Yeah.
Really
So
exciting.
we have the zip line. Then we have the biggest infinity pool you can get in Swaziland.
Hey,
We have about 4 different pools. And recently we just launched the water slides, a nice water park,
Wow.
So people should come through and have fun with their families.
Finally, is there any message that you'd like to send across to members of the public? Maybe speaking to the camera, just inviting
Yes.
them over to your space and also wishing them happy Easters, of course.
Oh, yes. Thank you so much. Yes. Please, I'd like to invite the public to come through to Sweden and also join the Eswatini Tourism Easter campaign. Swenka ngenkonzo. So join the campaign, look for information on ETA pages. You might find yourself having a nice time at Swebe Resort as we are one of the partners. Thank you.
What message can you send across to the members of the public, most especially as they prepare themselves? Udilungisela kanjani umuntu asafuna ukuphumela ngephandle, and just to encourage them to get out there as you've already done. Yes, just a message to them directly on the camera.
Okay, sithi emaswati akaphuma vakashe live lawo lelihle kakhulu live la kaNgwane. There's so much to see and there's so much to explore. Sithi emaswati noma ngabe bakwaphi i-region, noma kaManzini, noma kaHoho, noma useShiselweni, noma useLibonjeni, phuma uvakashele tindzawo teNgcebeleka. Akhona nama Easter specials Neliswa la tawuvele siwafaka kuma social media pages ethu. Sithi emaswati akasilandzele awabone. Uma ngabe ufuna kuplana ukuthi ungaya kuphi, you have no idea ukuthi ngisacabanga ngisengaka decide. There's a lot of things that you can do eSwatini. Bangasithinza ku 7808 9000, that's our WhatsApp number. Nalaba bathandza boshisa nyama akusikho kuphela Neliswa sorry about spirituality. Labanye bafuna kuphuma ba relax. There's camping, there's caravaning, there's so much you can do. Nalaba bathandza shisa nyama, and even partying as well. Ngibomgcibelo nje ukuthi phihli. Boshisa nyama right here in the Kingdom of Eswatini. Nalabo saba encourage labathandza umjayivo. Nightlife nayo, it's part of tourism. So sithi abaphume bavakashe kepha lokumcoka Neliswa abaphephe. We don't encourage drinking and driving. Uma ngabe uthatha kutina for abantu labadala akube nemuvu lotakushayelela noma uthole i-taxi. But basically you are saying unwrap an unforgettable Easter right here in the Kingdom of Eswatini. Siyakuthata nawe mlalela ukhona ukuthi don't look no further. Eswatini is the place to be this coming season.
Hayi ke mbukelwa buhle bethu, nami ngingumfundisi wabosindisiwe, ngithi angibike ukuthi hayi sengilungele isikhathi sekugubha bo Good Friday noma ke ma Easter njengoba ungibona sengihlobe kanje. Lese kushoda nje umjiva ukuthi ngusililuza lamahlombe noma ke leyo mpula yami kude nasesenda lapha iphasika nalokwa sinkwa nengadi kuhambe kahle konke. Mbukela buhle bethu, continue following us on all our social media platforms, that is Facebook and YouTube, and my personal handle is Neliswa WM Makanya with a blue tick. Until next week, same time, same place. Goodbye.